Hello everyone, this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Python in your local machine. Yeah, first open your browser and type Python and go to this python.org. Here click download section. In my case I'm going to download this Python for Windows. Okay, and if you are using Mac or Linux, click this. Okay, and in my case I'm click this one. Yeah, in my case I already downloaded this. So open Explorer. Inside download section, here it is. Yeah, double click it. Here I'm check this because automatically add this Python path in the environment. Okay, so after this click install now. Yeah, it's installing. Yeah, it's installed. Setup was successful. Okay, close this one and this too. Yeah, I'm closing the browser too. So here inside the start menu, here click this one, IDLE. It is like VS Code. Here this one will run the Python code. Here I'm to print the world. Okay, print world, enter. Yeah, here printed. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. In upcoming videos I will upload videos about 10% of basic in Python. Yeah, bye bye.